So coming to individuals, A can do a work in M days and B can do a work in N days. C can do the work in R days. Okay, it means if A takes M days to complete a work, in one day he will do how much part of the work? A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work equals to 1 by M. B's 1 day work. B is taking how many days to complete the work? N days. So 1 day's work, B's 1 day work will be 1 by N. Similarly, C's 1 day work equals to 1 by R. It means, what does it mean? They are doing 1 by mth part of work in 1 day. Likewise, if they do for 1 m days, 1 by m, 1 by m, 1 by m and so on m days, the sum will be equivalent to 1. It means one complete work. Okay. So this is how generally people traditional way, but in competitive exams you shouldn't do like this. It is a time consuming process. Okay. This is what B's 1 day work is 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by n. Likewise, they do n days. So n into 1 by n, and n will get cancelled. They complete one total work. Okay. We'll see how to do it logically in the exam. See, here it is. C. A can do a work in 10 days. A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 10. B's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 15, because B can do a work in 15 days. C can do a work in 30 days. So C's 1 day work is 1 by 30. If all three work together, so 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. This is the calculation we have to do. Okay. This is A, B, C. Together they do in 1 day. And again you have to divide with 1. Don't do this method in the exam. What is the best way? We will see how to tackle these kind of questions. As we don't know the total work, okay, as we don't know the total work, assume the total work as W. Okay, so A can do the work in 10 days. It means in 10 days A is doing how much work? W units of work. So W by 10. A's 1 day's work is W by 10. B's 1 day work is W by 15. C's 1 day work is W by 30. Number of days required is nothing but, this is work done by A in 1 day. This is work done by B in 1 day. This is work done by C in 1 day. So their total work is in 1 day is 1 by 10, that W by 10, W by 15 plus W by 30. W by 30. This is A, B, C's 1 day's work. They can complete the total work in. So total work is how much we assumed? The W by 10 plus W by 15 plus W by 20. Okay. Now what you do is W here, W if you take common, you will get 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. W will get cancels, which is equals to 1 by 1 by 10, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. So this is how, this is 30 actually. This is how you do in the exam. Generally you learn the process, but what we suggest is don't ever follow this method. Okay, what we have to do in the initial stage itself. Anyhow your W is getting cancelled. Okay, you can take W can be taken by any value. You can give any value to W. Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, any value. It is of no use because it is getting cancelled. Finally you left with this only. Okay, so to do in a simple way, what I suggest you to do is concentrate on the number of days that A take and B take and C took. Simply take a convenient value for W, which makes our calculation simple. Okay, that convenient value is nothing but LCM of 10, 15, 30, nothing but days, LCM of the given days. What is LCM of 10, 15 and 30? Nothing but 30. Assume the total work as 30. See here, assume the total work as 30 divided by, in 10 days A is doing how many units? It can complete the total work. In 10 days A can do 30 units of work. Per day A will do how many units? 3 units. Similarly, in 15 days B is doing 30 units. Per day B will do how many units? 2 units. In 1 day, in 30 days C is doing 30 units. So per day C will do how many units? 1 unit. Simple. 30 by 6, which is equals to 5 days. In one go you can solve this question, 5 days. Okay, see here, A can do a work in 10 days, B can do a work in 15 days. A and B together can do the work in, simple. Let us assume total work equivalents to 30 units. This is nothing but LCM of 10 and 15. Okay, now A and B work together can do a work in how many days? Simple, work by work done per day, work done per day. This is what we have to find, work by work done per day. What is the total work we assumed? 30. Now A takes how many days to complete 30 units? 10 days. In 10 days A is doing 30 units. In 10 days A is doing 30 units. Per day A will do how many units? 3 units per day. That is nothing but 30 by 10. So per day A is doing 3 units. Similarly, B takes 15 days to complete 30 units. So per day B will do how many units? 2 units per day. Is it clear? So A is doing 3 units and B is doing 2 units. Together they do how many units? 5 units. Simply 30 by 5, which is equals to 6 days. That's all. This is an answer. See here, similarly, assume the total work as 20. Nothing but LCM of 10 and 20. A is taking 10 days to complete 20 units. So per day A will do how many units? 2 units. 20 by 10. Similarly, B will do how many units per day? 1 unit per day, because B is taking 20 days to complete 20 units. So per day B will do 1 unit. Simply the answer is 20 by 3, that equals to 6 2 by 3 days. Okay. Next, A can do a work in 10 days, B can do a work in 20 days. A and B working independently on alternate days. Well, how to solve this process? Okay. See here, A can do a work in 10 days and B can do the work in 20 days. Assume the total work as LCM of 10 and 20, that is nothing but 20 units. Number of days required if they work together. What happens? If they work together, they can complete the work in 20 by how many units A will do? 2 units per day. B will do 1 unit per day. How we are getting these 2 units? A takes 10 days to complete 20 units. 10 days to complete 20 units. So per day A will do how many units? 2 units per day. Similarly, B will do 1 unit per day. So that is how we are getting 2 plus 1. So the answer is 20 by 3, which equals to 6 2 by 3 days if they work together. But are they working together? No. Independently on alternate days. What happens here? How to solve this question? So per day A is doing, let us say A begins the work. A is doing 2 units on first day. Similarly, B will do 1 unit on the second day. Similarly, A1, A2, B1, A2, B1, A2, B1, A2, B1, A2, B1. So for how many days is over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many units are covered? 3 units. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Still, how many units of work is left over? 2 units of work is left over, because we assume the total work as 20 units. Now, on 13th day, who has to do the work? A has to do the work. So, A can complete the work in on the 13th day. Now, how many days they required? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If A starts the work will be completed in 13 days. If A starts, then 13 days. What happens if B starts? BA 1, 2, 3 units is over. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 15, 1, 2, 18. Again 1, 19 units. But A takes 1 day to complete 2 units. So to do 1 unit, A will take how much time? Only half day. So if B starts the work, how many days is required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here A is taking only half day to complete 1 unit of work. So if B starts, the answer is 13.5 days. Okay. But we have to know who started the work. Then only we can give exact answer. Okay. Now, how we can solve this question in a logical way? Okay. See here. take total work as 20 units. Together they're doing how many units? 3 units. Divide total work with the work done per day if they work together. So how many days is required? 6. Maximum till they work 6 days. 3 6 are 18. What is the remainder? 2. After working 6 days, 2 units of work is left over. This 6 days A is working as well as B is working. It means A 6 days plus B 6 days, because they are independently working independently. So for 12 days is over. Now these 2 units, what happens to who will do these 2 units? Whoever starts the work, they will do an odd number day. If A starts the work, A will do 13th day. A is doing 2 units per day. So if A starts the work, A can finish these 2 units on 13th day. So if A starts the work will be completed in 13 days. That is what we got here. Suppose if B starts the work, what happens? On 13th day B will do 1 unit. Still 1 unit is left over. On 20th day A has to do, but A can finish the 1 unit in half day. Simply, if B does the work, what happens? This 12 days plus 1 13, and to do this 1 unit A take half day. Simply 13.5 days. Okay. A can do a work in 10 days, B can do a work in 15 days. A and B working independently on alternate days. Simple. Assume the total work is 30. Per day A will do how many units? 3 units. Per day B will do how many units? 2 units. Simple. If A takes 10 days to complete 30 units, per day A will do 3 units per day. Similarly, B will do 2 units per day. Total work divided by units work done per day, that equal to 6 days. I am getting an integer. It means A has to work for 6 days and B has to work for 6 days. The total is 12 days. Simply the answer is 12 days. Very simple. A is twice as efficient as B, and who is twice as efficient as C? It means if C does 1 unit, B will do 2 units and A will do 4 units. If C does X units, B will do 2X units and A will do 4X units. Okay. Simple. If all 3 together can complete a work in 60 days, it means A, B, C, 3 together can complete work in 60 days. The question will be asked like this. If A works alone, then how many days is required? Simple. If A, B, C together taking how many days are taking? 60 days. Then if C does X units per day, then B will do 2X and A will do 4X. So total all 3 together are doing how many units? 7X units per day. This will be the total work divided by what is work done by A per day? 4X. X and X will get cancels. 4 ones, 4 15s. That equal to 105 days. If A works alone, he can complete the work in 105 days. What happens if B works alone? Simple. Total work, which is nothing but 60 into what is work done by A, B, C, all 3 together? 7X per day. So total work equals to 60 into 7X divided by how much B is doing per day? 2X. Simple. Total work by number of units per day. Number of work done per day. Okay. X and X will get cancels. 2 ones, 2 30s. If B works alone, he can complete the work in 2 10 days. What happens if C works alone? Simple logic. Simple. 60 into 7X. This is the total work. And C is doing how many units per day? X units per day. So 60 into 7, 420. X will cancel to 420 days. That's all. Okay. Sometimes they may ask, if A and B work together, even that is also very simple. A and B work together. What is the total work? Because all 3 together taking how many days? 60 days. So 60. All 3 together doing how many units per day? 7X per day. This is the total work divided by A and B work together. A is doing how many units per day? 4X. B is doing 2X per units per day. So together they will do 6X units per day. Simply on simplifying, you get 70 days. What happens if A, C work together? Same. 60 into total work is 7X. 60 into 7X. If A, C works together, A is doing 4X units per day and C is doing 5X units per day. Together they do 5X units per day. X and X should get cancels. 5 ones, 5 12s, which is equals to 84 days.